Hey guys, we're back again. We are making an adult version of our snack box for travel. What if you and your husband are going on a date day and you just need a little treat to tide you over until you make it to dinner? So here we are. We have got all kinds of good things. So stay tuned. We're going to put it together. All right, let's put this thing together. So we're going to start out with some grapes. Of course, you can take those off of the stems, or you can leave them on. So whichever you prefer. I have definitely washed and rinsed the grapes and everything else, the broccoli and such. So make sure and put it in there when it is good and clean and free from all of the whatevers they put on it at the store. Okay, so then we will start out with some broccoli. That is a favorite. You can even go so far as to maybe take and put in a little to-go ranch in here. I've seen those, or even just a little Tupperware container of ranch. So you can dip them as you go. Start out with some Triscuit crackers. I love these. They are so good. So we'll put some of those down in our snack box. Get those tucked in. And then we have got some of the Baby Bell cheese, of course, pepperoni. We've got some aged pepperoni, salami, and then some cheddar cheese. So a couple of different things. So we'll get all of that in as well. So we'll put a little thing of these crackers since we have the Triscuits. And they might be just a hair better, so we'll do that. We'll give us a good bit of cheese. Because you can never go wrong with the Baby Bells. And then we will come in with some of our pepperoni. And then the larger pepperoni as well. All right, let's do more fun things. So everybody loves a good sour candy. So get some of the little sour gummy worms and get those down in there because you can't go wrong, guys. You can't. Especially if you get the blue and red flavor together. That's the best. It's my favorite. My husband likes the green and yellow, but I think he's just a little off, so it's okay. We're going to, of course, have a few chocolates. So we've got some chocolate-covered almonds. We'll get down in here. If you mess up, it doesn't even matter because it's still going to be good. And it's chocolate, so it's okay. We've got some more cheese, so we can put this cheddar cheese down in to give you a little bit of a different taste than the Baby Bells. And this is so fun to just travel with and take with you, and that way you can have all the good stuff, but you don't have to have every container that they come out of. Of course, guys, you can't go wrong with the Lindor chocolate. We're definitely going to get some of those down in here. Just remember you have them. Don't let them melt. So get those. And then, of course, just a few nuts, some cashews, salted cashews to top it off. And you can, of course, switch up your, what you want more of. So if you want more cashews and not so many broccolis, have at it. Or if you don't like sour candy and you'd rather have M&Ms, then go for it. You cannot go wrong. It is so good, so easy, and ready to go.